Looking for creative ways to transform your home this Christmas? Welcome to our festive journey of DIY decoration, where we'll explore stunning yet simple ideas to light up your holiday season. We'll dive into the art of handmade ornaments, craft festive wreaths, design captivating table centerpieces, and set up dazzling outdoor light displays. All these ideas, while being budget-friendly, will add a unique charm to your home. So, roll up your sleeves and get ready to create your very own winter wonderland. First off, we're going to start with handmade ornaments. Now, these festive decorations are simple to make, yet they'll add a unique touch to your holiday decor. The best part? You can create them using everyday materials like paper, string, and a bit of paint. Let's begin by cutting out a few shapes from your paper. These could be stars, hearts, or even miniature Christmas trees, whatever resonates with your festive spirit. Next, take your string and thread it through a small hole at the top of your shape. This will be how you hang your ornament. Now, it's time to get creative with paint. Feel free to let your imagination run wild here. You could paint a traditional holiday pattern or go abstract with a splash of festive colors. Remember, there's no right or wrong when it comes to expressing your Christmas cheer. And just like that, you've created your very own handmade ornaments. These charming decorations are as versatile as they are lovely. Hang them on your tree, drape them over your mantle, or even use them as gift tags for a personal touch. There you have it, gorgeous handmade ornaments that will add a personal touch to your Christmas tree. Next up, we're going to make festive wreaths. Imagine a wreath so beautiful it becomes the talk of the town. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore because we're about to create one together. First, we gather our materials. Grapevine branches to form a sturdy natural base, artificial berries to bring a pop of color and hint of winter charm, ribbons for that festive flair, and of course, some glue to hold it all together. Now the fun part begins. We start by shaping the grapevine branches into a circle. Then, we strategically place the artificial berries around the wreath, paying attention to balance and symmetry. A dash of creativity here won't hurt. Next, let's add the ribbons. You can choose to make a bow or simply let them hang loosely for a more rustic look. Remember, this is your wreath, so feel free to customize it to fit your design aesthetic. And voila, a festive wreath to welcome guests into your home this holiday season. Now let's turn our attention to the dinner table with a DIY centerpiece. The heart of any Christmas celebration is often the dinner table, and what better way to enhance its charm than with a festive centerpiece? To begin, gather some candles. Both tall and short ones work well. Arrange them in the middle of the table, creating a cluster for a warm, inviting glow. Next, scatter a few pine cones around for a rustic touch. Don't worry about perfection here. The idea is to mimic the haphazard beauty of nature. Now, for a dusting of winter magic, sprinkle some faux snow around your candle and pine cone arrangement. It instantly elevates your centerpiece, giving it a snowy winter wonderland vibe. Remember, this centerpiece isn't merely decorative, it sets the tone for your holiday meals, making them feel even more special and festive. And there you have it, a stunning centerpiece that's sure to impress your dinner guests. Finally, let's light up the outdoors with a DIY lighting display. Nothing says festive quite like twinkling lights against the winter night sky. Start by selecting your lighting medium. String lights are a popular choice due to their versatility. They can be wrapped around trees, strung along fences, or even strewn across bushes. Remember, safety first. Always choose lights that are rated for outdoor use and follow the manufacturer's guidelines for stringing them together. Next, consider adding a few outdoor-friendly materials to enhance your display. Lighted garlands, glowing orbs, or LED shapes can add a bit of whimsy. When designing your display, think about the transformative effect of lights. They can highlight architectural features, create a sense of depth, and even give the illusion of a starry sky. So there you go, a magical lighting display that will make your home the talk of the neighborhood. So, did you find the DIY Christmas decorations helpful? We've explored a variety of projects, from crafting unique ornaments and festive wreaths to creating captivating table centerpieces and mesmerizing outdoor lighting displays. Each of these DIY ventures is designed to transform your home into a winter wonderland, with your personal touch adding to the magic. So why not give it a go? Remember, the beauty of DIY is in the journey. Happy decorating and have a magical Christmas.
Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful and want to check out our products for yourself, simply click the link in the description box below. That will take you directly to my website where you can learn more about our collection of amazing Christmases materials to take your home decoration journey to next level tool. I'll also include any exclusive discounts for my viewers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great reviews coming your way.